I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see all of the YouTube videos you've downloaded for offline viewing on the YouTube website. As an added bonus, I'll also show you how to delete downloaded videos you no longer want to be taking up space on your device. Step 1. Navigate to your YouTube homepage. Step 2. Navigate to the U section on the left side of the screen and then click Downloads in this section. You'll see all of the YouTube videos you've downloaded for offline viewing on this specific device. If you see a downloaded YouTube video you want to delete, all you need to do is click the ellipses associated with that video and then click Remove from Downloads. That video will be deleted immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.